Hello! Today in class we will solve a problem where we will compare integers. Let's take pairs of numbers and learn how to compare integers. Let's compare the number 0 and the number -8. Then compare the number 8 and the number -5. Next example, the number 0 and the number 3. The number -1 and the number -10. And the last pair is the number 10 and the number -12. And then we'll put these numbers in ascending order. But first, let's compare the pairs of numbers. Let's remember the rule that any positive number is always greater than a negative number. Any positive number is always greater than 0. And any negative number is always less than 0. We will use the basic rule to compare these numbers. The number 0 and the number -8. Any negative number is less than the number 0. Then the number 0 will be greater than the negative number. Therefore, in this case we put the sign more. Second example, the number 8 and the number -5. The number 8 is a positive number. Note that there is no plus sign in front of the number 8, but it is a positive number. So let's find the rule for comparing a positive and a negative number. A positive number is always greater than a negative number. Therefore, the sign is also bigger. The number 0 and the number 3. No problem, you will put the correct sign. Of course, the number 0 is smaller than the number 3. But since our topic is comparing integers and the number 3 and 0 is an integer, and in this case we must remember the rule that any positive number is greater than 0. Therefore, the number 3 is greater than 0. Now let's compare two negative numbers. We don't have a rule for comparing two negative numbers. So in this case, we have to think about what the temperature is. The temperature is -1 and the temperature is -10. Which case will be warmer? Of course, when the temperature is -1. So what is the rule of thumb in this case? The point is that in the last lesson, we talked about the arrangement of integers on a coordinate line. Using the coordinate line, we will prove that the number -1 is greater than the number -10. We know that we can show negative numbers to the left of 0. And the number -1 is closer to 0, and the number -10 is farther away from 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. The number -10 will be farther away from 0. So the number -1 will be to the right on the coordinate line. Therefore, the number -1 is larger than the number -10, and the number 10 and -12. We can apply the rule any positive number is greater than a negative number to this pair of numbers, and then the number 10 will be greater than the number -12. Now we will do the second part of the assignment. Let's write the numbers in ascending order. And in this case, we will again be helped by a coordinate line. To do this, we will represent all these numbers on the coordinate line. The number 0, we've shown on the coordinate line. The number -8 is right here. The number 8 is to the right from the number 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number 8 is at this point on the coordinate line. The number -5, -8, -7, -6, -5. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. The number 0, we have shown on the coordinate line, the number 3. The number 3 is at this point on the coordinate line. The number minus 1, the number minus 10 we have shown on the coordinate line. And the number minus 12 will be to the left of the number minus 10. And then we can put the numbers in ascending order, from left to right, and write down the answer. The number minus 12. The smallest number, then there's minus 10. Minus 8. Minus 5. Minus 1. 0. Let's continue. 1. 3 and 8. In solving this problem, we used a coordinate line. And then we put our numbers in ascending order. In the next lesson, we will continue comparing integers. Today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.